Hey, I'm John Cannell, and today on Preppy Kitchen, we're making a quick and easy air fryer French toast. So let's get started. First off, in a shallow bowl, we're gonna add 4 eggs. No shells, please. French toast is just delicious bread soaked in a custard and then cooked in a pan or an air fryer. An air fryer is one of the most convenient things ever invented, but the benefit isn't just being able to walk away while the air fryer is going and not having to clean that extra pan. It's because the air fryer really shines because this French toast is gonna be super crispy on the outside and not soggy. Give your eggs a whisk just to break them up. Even though it's super quick and easy, you can make this recipe in advance for an instant morning treat. They'll keep 3 to 4 days in the fridge, or you can freeze them flat and transfer to a freezer bag with parchment paper in between so they don't stick together. Then pop them out of the freezer and reheat in your toaster oven or your regular oven until they're warmed through and crisp. And now I'm gonna add 2/3 of a cup or 160 mils of whole milk. Yes, you could use half and half for this if you wanted. For a little flavor, a teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Today I'm keeping it classic and just using cinnamon, but you can add any of your favorite spices like cardamom, allspice, or nutmeg, or you could even go a different direction with the flavor. Try adding a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree for a delicious fall vibe. Mix it up. Our bread's ready to dip. Grab your favorite cooking oil. I like to use coconut oil for this because I love the flavor of a hint of coconut with my bread as opposed to olive oil, but anything is gonna work. Spray your basket. For this recipe, the classic luxurious choice is brioche. It's really rich and eggy and almost cake, but you could use any bread you want. And if it's stale, even better. It'll soak up the liquid more and really keep its shape. We used to make this with sourdough, and I actually love sourdough French toast. Let me know in the comments if you think that's horrible or delicious. If you want some delicious dunkers, try cutting your bread into 2-inch strips for a really tasty French toast stick. I'm gonna work in an assembly line 1 by 1, so I'm taking this bowl right to my air fryer so there's no drips. Working 1 slice at a time, add it into your egg mixture, dip it, flip it, and pull it out. You want your French toast to be lightly saturated with the custard, not completely soaked. Pop that into your basket. And we're gonna bake this for 4 minutes per side, and yes, we do have to flip them over. Depending on your air fryer and the bread you're using, you should be able to get 3 to 4 pieces per go. If you're cutting them into strips, you can really fill it up, but make sure to leave 1/2 inch of space in between each piece for airflow. Otherwise, they will not cook properly and they'll be soggy. Optional, but for some added crisp golden deliciousness, you can spray the tops with oil as well. Pull them out, turn them over, and 4 more minutes. I'm going for a total of 8 minutes, but if you want them to be a little bit more golden, feel free to add a minute or 2, it's not gonna hurt. Ooh, golden and amazing. To keep them nice and crispy, let them cool on a wire rack so the steam escapes and they don't get soggy. Garnish with a sprinkle of powdered sugar and lots of maple syrup. Just like that, your French toast is ready to enjoy. So golden and crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, rich and flavorful throughout. I hope you get a chance to make this recipe, and if you like this video, check out my air fryer playlist.